In this video, we'll show you how to change the front interior door handle on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the plastic cover located in the door handle. Then, using a ratchet, a small extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the two handle retaining bolts. Using a car trim removal tool, pry off the handle. Then remove it. Turn the handle. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can now unclip the door opening mechanism cable. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Then remove the handle. You can order the interior door handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the door handle, put the cable back in place, then reattach it. Insert the handle into its housing. Then reclip it. Screw the two retaining bolts back on. Put the door handle trim back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.